Some watch it, others read it, but few actually make it. Hi, my name is Derek Butts. I'm the CEO and founder of Assist You to Win, the Connecting Place for Winners. I am so excited about this project that I'm doing right now. It's called Why Wait? Here's what I'm doing. I'm looking for the top 10 teenagers that have a story. You have to be in the ages of 13 to 19. I'm looking for an inspiring story. Something that you've already done. Maybe something you've accomplished, something that you've had to overcome, but something that you know when it is written, somebody's going to want to read it and it's going to inspire them to action. Why wait? Why wait until you get the college degree? Why wait until you get the job that you say you want? Why not do it right now? You are right now have an opportunity to fill out this application to tell me about your story. Tell me why I should choose you. Tell me why your story should be in this book. Let me tell you this, I have great plans for you. Not only will this be into a bestseller book, but it's going to turn into a movement where your story can challenge and change the lives of people just like you. So finish filling out the application, and soon you'll hear from one of my team members about why your story should be selected in this project. Hey, I'll see you on the other side.